What's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. Just wanted to do another quick video. Got another mod. These are the side wings for the rear. This comes with a snap-on screw, or whatever you want to call it, and a couple Phillips screws. Very easy install. You're going to be using the snap-on screws, which are already on the vehicle on the left hand side, which I'll show you at the bottom how that gets done. And then on the right hand side, you're going to use the existing snap-on, and you're going to use one screw. So I'm going to go ahead and show you below where that screw goes, which is right there. You're going to go ahead and screw it from the bottom, and I'll show you that, once I have it installed in place. So no 3M adhesive, I'm sorry. Just very easy. Existing equipment on the vehicle, you're going to use a snap-on. I'll go ahead and I'll show you that right now. Once again, guys, this is from the same vendor from the diffuser that you saw from another install video, which is this one right here. So this vendor will honor, I believe this is a kit. I think I bought this as a kit. So the bottom diffuser with the side wings, and I think they also have it separate. But if you mention my name to this seller, Boosted Whips, from my channel, or my eBay ID FNUN4676, they'll go ahead and honor you a 10%, or I believe it's a 12%. I'm not sure, but go ahead and mention my name, and they'll go ahead and they'll honor that. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this so you guys can see more or less what I'm talking about with the snap-on screws, and then we'll take it from there. Alright, guys, so if you go below your car, you're going to see the snap-on, which is already on the bumper. You're going to go ahead and snap this off with a flathead screwdriver or a pry tool. You're going to take it all off, and you're going to sandwich in here the side wing with the bumper and the inside liner, or whatever you want to call this. And there's a metal plate in there that needs to be sandwiched, so you're going to sandwich all of them together. You're going to press in the circle, and then the centerpiece is what creates the pressure here, so that's where it secures it. So you're gonna enter this whole piece in until it snaps into place and it's secured. Now the vendor provided one for this area here, but it's too small, it comes off, and the reason being is because the plate that's on the other one is not here, and that's what creates the pressure for it to lock in place. So this one provided by the vendor did not work. So what I ended up doing is that I went ahead and I used the supplied screw. I put one here, and this is secured enough so it doesn't fly off. I'm going to go ahead and show you the other side so you guys can go ahead and see. What I'm planning on doing is probably go ahead and buy the secure plate or plastic that goes in there, so that this snaps on there nicely, and that way it's also extra secured. But one key note there that the vendor did not think about or whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the other side of what I did, and then I'll show you the final product thereafter. So on this one is the same concept. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that snap on there, secure tab, and sandwich it in there and snap it on, and then it gets secured by the screw, which is they already have a preset hole, so it's easier to screw in. So what I did also as well, just to give it an extra secure, is that I used the extra screw, and I did my own hole and secured this wing as well with another screw, just to make sure that this doesn't come off, so that way it's extra secured. But that's what you do, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it looks now with the rear diffuser, the side wings, and the entire finished product. So here we go. There it is, guys. I'm starting from a side angle so you guys can go ahead and see how it complements the Type R lip spoiler, which I installed a few weeks back. Go ahead and make sure you check out that video, which I'll also link in this video, so you guys can go ahead and have a quick access. But this is how it looks. This is from a side profile. I'll go ahead and show you from the back side now, along with the rear diffuser. So make sure also to check out that video for that install. And that's how everything comes to play, guys. Car's looking real nice. And guys, if you're interested in getting this kit for the rear, which comes with the diffuser and the side wings together, I believe it's all in one package. Go ahead and click on the link that I will put on the description and send a message to the seller, and go ahead and mention my channel name, Boosted Whips, or my eBay ID, FNUN4676, for a special discount. We went ahead and did a deal with them, so they will go ahead and honor a 10% or a 12%, I'm not sure. But go ahead and ask them. They already know who I am, so just mention my name and they'll go ahead and I'll hook you up with that extra discount. So let me know what you guys think. Like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below, and I'll go ahead and I'll answer them as soon as possible. But man, this looks really nice. Starting to look how it should. Anyways, guys, until next time, thanks for watching. Boosted Whips. Have a very blessed day.